Hello everyone and welcome to my design vlog. Hello everyone, how is everyone doing today? Hope everyone had a nice weekend, chill and are ready for start the new Monday. So today I was thinking about making something different, not different, like I wanted to play a little bit with gradient mesh. Let me just take my headphones out, because when I'm recording my voice on my headphones I can actually listening to me. And I'm like, well, am I talking or who's talking? Sorry. I'm gonna make gradient mesh, gonna get the gradient mesh tool here. And then I'm just going to start adding some points in this square really nicely. Something like try to aim to the middle as better as I can. Then we're using my direct selection tool. I'm going to select these points here. Let's just change these colors here. Maybe I will start with a nice blue. I just go into these colors a little bit randomly, just trying to challenge myself. See if I can make a nice color set just by choosing them here. Really nicely. Feeling quite tired today for some reason. I'm feeling like I'm a little bit out of breath. So if some parts of this video I take a really deep breath, it's just because I'm a little bit tired. It's alright. It was just weekend, so probably tired from the weekend. Just gonna add some nice colors. And then I will actually take this to Photoshop, so then I can change the colors there if I want to. Just going to add a few more, like this. Yeah. Something like this. Then just on the corners I feel like I need to add something here as well. Maybe I will do them all together like this, so it fades like some sort of nice colors in the middle, and then like some sort of like colors like this on the sides. Yeah, I kind of like this like gradient mesh tool very much because it creates like this very blurred situation, which is cool. It feels like when you take a very blurred photography of lights of the city or something like that. Yeah, this was the result I wanted anyway. So now I'm gonna just move these points here, trying to make a nice mesh effect here, something like this. Just going to change this one, maybe there. Play with this. Yeah, it's quite a little bit tricky because sometimes the points there, like they meet and they doesn't really work very well. So we need to actually adjust these anchor points there as the best we can. Something like this. And the same is happening here because of this point, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, there is a little bit of work with this tool, but I think it's worth it. It's been a while since I actually used this tool. I learned this tool at university like 10 years ago. And we actually needed to draw like a photorealistic apple for the exercise of this tool. It was really nice though. It was really nice to play with this. I didn't know this tool at that time, so I was just like really impressed. Like, oh my god, it's such a cool tool, like gradient mesh. I don't think I ever used it professionally, like I never had a project that I needed to use this, but it's nice to know if we need to make like some very organic gradients for a project, we can do it this one. I hope I'm not getting sick actually. I'm feeling like a little bit out of breath and like a little bit tired, and I hope it's not because I'm getting sick again. I've been sick so many times this year. I think it's because we like after COVID, like we never went back to the office, and before I used to be like on the subway here, on the tube trains all the time, so I was way more exposed to sneezes than I am today. So every time I go out now, I feel like I come back home sick because it's just like it's such a big thing for my body going out. I go out like almost every day, but not like I don't expose myself as much as before, okay? Don't think I'm like an ermit at home. Yeah. And just like, I don't know, my clients don't really need me because I'm a freelancer, so my clients don't really need me to go to the office. And I can deliver everything I need to just via online. And if there are online reviews and everything goes really smoothly that way, so I just work from home and I'm not exposed as I was before. Nice. I think I'm happy with this really nice gradient happening here. Maybe I'm gonna change this point here really quickly. Yeah, cool. I'm happy with this. Let's just drag this to Photoshop. I think I have another one. So today, actually, I made this before. I made this one first, but I don't know. I felt like I didn't like the way I recorded it, and I had my microphone really close to my face, and I don't know, the sound was a little bit distorted. I was just like, you know what? I can make a poster or a design that I'm not really happy with, but I can't upload a video that the sound is terrible. That's just painful for people to watch. It's already painful to see something that's ugly. It's even more painful if you're seeing something that's ugly and the sound is terrible. So yeah, that was my excuse. And anyway, I'd rather do it twice. Let's just make a new artboard, paste this one here. And actually I even like this gradient way better than the other one before. So it's only good things. I'm gonna use this ellipse marker tool to make a mask in my gradient mesh here. I'm gonna mask it, and this is already looking really nice. Maybe actually I will play with something different than the other poster. Maybe I'll make a few copies like this, and then I'm just going to rotate them like this and make something even different. Kind of like this actually. Really interesting actually. Just playing with this a little bit. I just want to is this aligned properly? Yeah, it is aligned. I don't know, it feels not very aligned for some reason. I'm just going to be sure it is aligned. I don't really believe this is aligned. No, it's not. So why is he saying it's aligned? Or maybe because it's using the shape, not the mask, to align. Maybe I'm gonna just convert this to smart objects really quick, and then it will be easier to deal with. Convert to smart objects, and then now align this. Okay, yeah, now I believe they are aligned. Cool, actually really cool. I actually like this better than the other one. So let's make a new solid color. Make it dark, or should I make it white? Let's make it not, everything is so dark in my posters. I'm gonna just not make it dark today. I'm gonna duplicate these layers, gonna collapse them together, and then I'm gonna use the rectangle marker tool to make a few selections like this. Just to make a few selections. So then I'm gonna just drag this up and see if I can make something cool or not. Let's just make it, yeah. Just gonna drag it up. Yeah, kind of nice. And I'm just going to maybe experiment a little bit with the blending modes. See if they offer me something different. No, it's all right. Just going to select this again. Oops. No, it's quite alright. Kind of like it. I'm gonna just make maybe a circle element in Illustrator really quickly. Something like that. Just going to make the stroke white and change it to 5. And then I'm gonna make it there. Yeah, just on the top. Like this. Cool. Actually really happy with this. I'm gonna make a new adjustment layer, an invert layer really quick. Not gonna use it like this, just gonna clean the mask, and then I'm going to make a few more squares, like rectangles like this, maybe overlaying the other ones really quickly, just to add even more detail and add like a layer of like where the colors will invert, which will have a really nice effect there. Just going to make this even maybe outside of the frame. Something like that. And then, yeah, cool. Actually, not sure about the ones that go outside the frame, but maybe I'll just delete them a little bit. I don't think they're really powerful visually. So maybe I will just leave that one there. Yeah. So this one looks nice. Maybe should I duplicate this graphic here and just drag it? The vector graphic, sorry. Something like. And then maybe play with the... I made a weird sound now. And then play with the blending mode, see which one works nicely. Divide. Overlay that. Maybe this one. Nice. Should we add something? Of course we need to add type. I will not forget to add some type. But I just want to... I'm always trying to make this a little bit like to the dark side all the time. I'm sorry. Maybe it could be purple today. Or even just like, let's just get this sphere and try to maybe even use the sphere background. The sphere color as for the background, that's what I meant. Oh, nice. Yeah. That's really nice. And yeah, this is really nice. Kind of like it. Let's just add some type then. Let's just add some digital type. Digital. Let's just add digital. And then move this upwards here. Kind of like it is very simple. I think this is Helvetica. Yeah, just like, but maybe I should just experiment, see if there is any other type that I can use for this. Kind of just want to play a little bit with typography before we go. Digital. I don't know. I don't have many cool types. This Kako one is actually, I like how stretched it is. Don't know. Let's just have another look here. Let's just see. Monument extend is always a good one. Where is it? I saw it. Oh, nice. It's a very strong type. Digital. It looks like a magazine cover. Yeah, I think this is what it could be, like a digital magazine cover. Edition 0 or something. Imagine if I actually had a little bit more things here then. Because I'm adding some sort of context now. When I start adding like context to my designs, I start having more ideas for them. It's a little bit annoying, but I think it's part of it. Let's just add a blending mode, of course. Gradients and blending modes, that's what we need. Kind of like this glow happening here. Maybe I should make a few more. Let's just add a few more glows. I kind of really dig it. Let's just do it and then just add it here. Nice. maybe even another gradient that's like overlaying everything, because why not? Our iridescent gradient. Let's see if there is like a nice color, and then just overlay it and see what it does. Let's just multiply, and then I'm gonna make a mask again. Should I make a little bit of organic mask happening actually? No. Maybe a circular mask or something. Yeah. Kind of making more sense now. It definitely looks like a digital magazine for some sort of like AI brain things happening. And what else could we do here? I know I'm probably overkilling this anyway, so just gonna make a solid color. Gonna make it black, and then I'm gonna add a layer of noise filter. Add noise. convert to smart object, of course, monochromatic, uniform, and make it screen, make it 25%. Nice. I'm like, I wasn't expecting this, and I'm actually happy with the result. Should I just add the edition, digital, I don't know, digital brain magazine, digital rain. Yeah, it looks like rain. If rain was digital. Anyway, probably losing myself here. I'm gonna make another gradient. I'm just going to change it from the top there. Add a little shadow. And I just feel this needs to be a little bit more text or something. I don't know. I think if I add like just like a lorem ipsum would be nice there. Let's just copy like some sort of and then change this to Helvetica. Some like text layer. And just overlay this really quick. Is overlay the one I want? I don't know. Saturation makes a nice effect. Linear burn. I think it's overlay, yeah. And then maybe I will just add this, like a noise of, noise of texture, like a texture noise. And then I'm gonna blur this so we don't actually read it. Let's just go blur, Gaussian blur. Yeah. No, it's not working. It's not working. No, I'm just gonna stop. When things stop working, we should stop as well. Let's just maybe, where is that thing there? Did I move it? Yeah. Maybe it should be just like here on a corner, just to add some texture. And yeah, if we had time, we'll like put like a robot face or something in here, which would be cool, but I don't want to take more time from you today. So yeah, that was it. Today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. It was really fun for me actually doing this one. It was much better than the first one I've made anyway. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments, and if you liked this poster today. And don't forget to download the working files. I always make them available for download, just if you want to open them anyway. And yeah, if you never subscribed to this channel, please subscribe today. And don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.